On a cold January night in 1950, one of the most daring robberies in American history took place in Boston. A gang of 11 skilled criminals, led by Tony Pino, meticulously planned and executed a heist at the Brink's armored car depot. The robbers spent months studying the building, learning the schedules of the guards, and even making duplicate keys. On the night of the heist, they donned navy peacoats, Halloween masks, and gloves to avoid leaving fingerprints. The gang slipped into the building just before closing time, when the vault was full of cash from local businesses. Inside the depot, they bound and gagged the employees and swiftly loaded sacks of cash, checks, and other valuables into their getaway vehicle. In just under 30 minutes, they had stolen an astounding $2.7 million, worth over $31 million today, making it the largest robbery in U.S. history at the time. The robbers were incredibly cautious, leaving no trace and maintaining a strict code of silence. For 6 years, the police were baffled. The heist became known as the crime of the century. But as time passed, tension within the gang grew. One of the robbers, Joseph Specs O'Keefe, was arrested for another crime and later felt betrayed by his fellow gang members when they didn't help him. Angry and desperate, O'Keefe cooperated with the FBI and revealed the details of the robbery. In 1956, most of the gang was arrested and convicted. Though the majority of the money was never recovered, the story of the Great Brink's robbery has become legendary, remembered as one of the most elaborate heists in American history.